Hola, it's Gabby here for Crafty Gabby. Welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to make a card with coffee and a cat. Tea and a cat. I'm going to trace a line in watercolor paper and I'm going to stamp 3 cups. In the middle cup, I'm going to stamp a cat. And after that, I'm going to color everything with watercolors. I'm going to color the cat in grays and orange because I want a calico cat, and I'm going to leave some part of the cat in white because those are the 3 colors that the calico cats have, like gray, black, white, dark orange, and orange. After that, I'm going to add details in the cups with my color pencils. I'm going to add flowers and stripes or lines in all 3 cups. I erasing a little bit of the color when I pass my hand through the cups. A little bit of the color went down, but with just a little bit of an eraser is no problem. It will erase fine. And I'm adding watercoloring gray to make the cups like they have shadow or support. That way the cups don't look that they fly. After that, I'm going to stamp a little can of catfish, and I'm going to color the cat the same way as the cups and the cat with watercolor, because I stamp in watercolor paper also. I'm going to fussy cut it, and I'm going to add this can to thinking bubble or speech bubble, like the cat is asking for this food. With a marker, I'm going to trace the line from the top of the can because they get erased with the watercolor that is metallic watercolor, and I'm going to trace all the lines in the camp with this marker. This is I don't remember, it's very thin, very fine marker. I'm going to add this word peekaboo that came with from, oh sorry, Mama Elephant. This is a Halloween set. Let me see if I can find the name of this. I don't have it here. Bootastic is called. Bootastic. I add the word peekaboo and I color the letters in the same order as I color the teacups. I adding a little bit of distress ink in all the border in light blue because I didn't want the card to be so white. And I'm going to add, the frame is going to be this orange paper, okay, cardstock. After that, I went overboard with the sequins. I add the sequins in the same color of the cups and also the orange for the cat. And after that, I will glue my card panel to, well, I add Winkostella to the letters, and I will glue my card panel to my card base, and that will be my card for today. Thank you for watching my videos. Hope you like them. Until next time, goodbye.